How to check balance on Amazon gift cards without redeeming it. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First, you open the Amazon app. Once you open the app, on the bottom right you'll find a menu option, 3 lines. Click on that and then click on account. Once you open the accounts, you have to scroll down and under the Amazon Pay, under that you'll find an option of add gift card to your balance. You have to click on the arrow here. Once you click here, it shows you on the top, it shows the available balance. Right now it is 00. So if you have already claimed your balance, you can currently see what is your gift card balance on the top. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.